Hello everybody, this is Tyler from TreetopDesignsandCustoms.com, and today we're going to open Blender for the first time. Yay! So you want to double click Blender, and you should see a screen that says the current version of Blender at the top. This is called your splash screen. Below that you should see a list of your recent projects. So if I wanted to open up, let's say, my project I was working on last night, just double click it and it should open it up. To leave the screen, you just want to click off of it. So Blender can be used to do tons of things. So you need tons of places to do certain things. If you look down in the bottom of the bottom corner, you'll see a cube. Click it and it will come up with a list. This is a list of all the places you go in Blender. So first things first, the cube or the 3D view is the place where all the magic happens. This is where we do the modeling and all the 3D magic takes place. The timeline, also in the bottom section of your screen, is literally a timeline of your simulations, animations, etc. The graph editor is pretty cool. You can see the motion of your objects in graph format. I don't really use this feature often, but it's pretty cool. Before I go on, some of these features or places I don't use. I don't use the Python console, file browser, info, logic editor, text editor, NLA editor, and the drop sheet. Therefore, I'm not going to talk about them. So the next one is the UV image editor. This is where all the renders and textures are seen. This is also where the UV unwrapping occurs. If you want to find out more about UV unwrapping, or if you don't know what it is, click the link in the description or right here. That video will explain what UV unwrapping is. It's pretty neat. Video sequence editor. This is where you can make movies, stop motion films, etc. Nothing really else to say here. It's pretty neat. The movie clip editor is where the motion tracking magic happens. If you don't know what motion tracking is, it's really cool. You need to go check it out. The link's also in the description or right here. So let's say you colored a cube green and you want it a green metal. This is where you would want to do that. The node is very helpful, especially when making realistic textures. What you do is take nodes and connect them and change them to give your cube a different texture. Properties is very helpful. This is the screen to your right. I will cover this topic in another video, but it is extremely helpful. The outliner is a list of all your objects, cameras, lights, everything in Blender. This is above the properties. This is very helpful in keeping track of all your objects, cameras, lights, etc. So that's just a few places you can discover Blender. This has been Tyler from TreetopDesignsandCustoms.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.